Hi, this is Bill from Billy Rocket Fireworks. In a previous video, I showed you the capabilities of this 12Q transmitter. This is, again, introductory, but we're going to move on to our firing panel. This is probably all you'll ever need in the world of wireless firing, unless you're trying to do pyro musicals, and I'll explain this system to you as well. It uses the same 4Q modules that our other system uses. This panel takes 6 AA batteries. Okay. The programming of the Qs is identical to the transmitter I showed you in the previous video. The difference with this system is think of every 12 Qs as a district. Okay. This system here has the capabilities of doing 100 districts, 12 Qs. That's 1,200 Qs in all. It's more than you'll ever need, and more than you simply won't need that much. But that's the power of this system here. Okay, so for the purpose of programming, I'm going to walk you through it real fast too. We're going to turn the system on, and we're going to turn our modules on. All right, and we're going to start from scratch. All right, again, we want to program these 1 through 12. We'll start with the first one. It's simply a matter of depressing the top button. Can you see the flash going on right there? You see the flash? Now we're going to hit Q1 and release. You saw the flash. That means it's paired up now. So 1, well, this one's already been programmed to it. 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now we want this one to do 5 through 8. Again, same concept. Depress it. It's flashing. Hit number 5 on your panel. Release on the receiver, and then release on the transmitter. And now this has been paired up. So you got 5, 6, 7, and 8. And again, 9 through 12, same way. Depress. Oops, sorry. Can you see the flash? 9, release. Now we have 9, 10, 11, 11, and 12. This one has the same feature as the transmitter. It's got a sequencer and a fire all. Now keep in mind, when you hit fire all, whatever's on this district is going to go off. So we're going to hit fire all, and all these will light up. Boom. Everything's going off at the same time. Sequencer, same concept. It's going to step fire with a small delay in between every cue. Here we go. Okay. Now what's nice about this, again, within this district 1, you can have multiple cues. You're not limited to just 3 of 1 through 12. You can have 5, 6, 10 of these if you wanted in a district. That simply means you're going to have multiple items firing off on different cues on different receivers. Again, that would be for like front. Say you had 3 items you want to go off at the same time. Okay, we can do that. You remember the programming in the back, right? This one here was programmed 1 through 4. Remember, 2, 3, and 4. We want to do the same thing on this one. So we're going to, again, depress, hit number 1, release, release. Now these 2 modules are paired up. Imagine them in the field, 50 feet apart. When you hit number 1, 2 items just fired off at the same time. 2, 3, and so on. Okay. This is where the districts come in now. Okay, this is good for the first 12 Qs, but now you have more items you want to light off. You need more districts. So it's just a matter of you getting more modules and now changing the district for programming. So to do that, it's just a matter of you selecting the district you want. So we're going to go up to district 2, and we are going to make this Q 1 through 4 as well. Again, we're going to use the shortcut on top. Notice how these are lit up? It's because I have these little test lights in here, and I'm going to demonstrate those in a second for you. But we're going to program it 1 through 12, or 1 through 4, excuse me, on district 2. Depress, it's flashing. 1, release, release. Now these are programmed 1, 2, 3, and 4. You see the lights going off there? All right. These green lights just mean there's continuity to for that particular item. By removing it, the light goes off. Okay, since we don't want to use real igniters in the store, that's what we're using just to show you. So to fire the second district, you need to be on district 2. Okay, and to fire these in district 1, you simply have to change the number to district 1, and then you can fire your cues there. This system has more capability than you realize, and like I said, it's more than you'll ever need for even the the basic backyard consumer display, and even for some large large displays using 1.3 products. So that's the basic rundown. I hope it was thorough enough. I apologize if I left some questions unanswered. Feel free to contact me. But anyway, that's the system here that we offer. So again, they do require a source of ignition for the fuse that you're going to light, and that's either a consumer igniter or the E-Match. And again, I'll make a separate video explaining these and how to hook them up and the benefits of both in an upcoming video. So again, it's Bill from Billy Rocket Fireworks. Thanks for watching.